So our objective is to get a line, a blue line that will cut the dotted line as close as possible here. Again, I always give Surfer a try to see if it can do it. And it did it, but it's not taking into consideration any of these points down here. So this could work, but I will try with, I'm going to remove both, and I will try with an exponential line first. Okay, out of it. Okay, and I get a much better cut. I mean, this is perfect. I don't need to do anything else with that. So again, with my cutting tool, I go and cut this thing, copy and paste it. So for iron, I can see I have a 43, almost a 44 degrees of anisotropy. And this is how we do, the virograms. Once you have the virogram, let's save it. So this will be virogram for iron. You can go and start doing the gridding, the actual gridding, by you say grid data, you select the file, you select the element, which is in this case iron. And on the next step, you select to get virogram. You see, you got the virogram, and then you can skip to the end. We will save this as iron. And we will create a map, a contour map. We click OK. I just take up this and this, and this is the map of the iron. As you can see, it has the 42 degrees of anisotropy that we had. We can, of course, when we did this, we could also add the faults that we discussed in the previous episode, and we will get a much better chemical representation. So this is virograms. I strongly recommend that you train yourself. You will get the eye for the different curves, and it will be a much faster process, but this is basic. This is very important to do. On our next episode of this series of Surfer, we will be talking about erosional level.